Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's class. And as you all know, this is your Sprint X series for CBSE 10th, and we are doing the most important questions. This is the last moment revision, and if you are able to solve these questions, which I am doing in the Sprint X series, then you can be very sure that you know each and everything from the particular chapter. So this is a test to yourself. Just watch these videos. As soon as I show a question, pause the video right over there, solve the question on your own, and see whether you got the correct answer or not. And if you're getting all the correct answers, that means you have prepared that chapter clearly. Like very nicely you have prepared that chapter, and you will not make any mistake in that particular chapter in your exams. Okay, so that's what is this series all about. So today we will be starting with the topic circles. We have already finished quadratic equations, we have already finished arithmetic progression. So in this, although the theorems are very less compared to grade 9th when you studied, there were a number of theorems or really more in the topic circles. But in this point right now, in this topic, the theorems are very less. One is tangent of a circle. So at the point of contact, it says that suppose if we have a circle like this, all right, and if I draw a tangent to the circle, then the radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. And then we have learned that if we have a circle in which if I draw the tangent from an external point, so here we have learned that if I join the radiuses at the point of contact, so these two triangles we get, they are congruent triangles, and we can say that the two tangents are equal in length. Alright, okay. So these are the two important topics that we have discussed. We have understood the meaning of tangent as well, one point of contact, all this we have discussed. Alright, so guys, before I move ahead, do not forget to like this video once, share the video among all your friends, let them know about the Sprint X series which is happening, and also subscribe to this channel if you are new over here. So again, as always, start now, not tomorrow. Alright, so whatever your work, always start now. Now this is the schedule. If you have not followed it yet, this is the schedule for your Sprint X series. I have shown it for physics. This is for maths every day at 6 o'clock from 23rd till 29th March. Next session will be of constructions. Previous two sessions already over. Okay, then this is the session for biology, this is the session for chemistry, this is the for English. English session, there are a number of sessions, our topics are more, so that's why there are more number of sessions, similar for SST as well. Alright bacha, so let us start our session. We are starting with the topic circles, but let's first complete the homework which I gave you in the previous class. So in the last class I asked you this question: find the sum of first 16 terms of an AP of an arithmetic progression whose 4th and 9th term are minus 15 and minus 30. So you want to find out as 16 where the 4th term is given as minus 30. So this can be written as a plus 3d is equal to minus 30. And then they have given 9th term as minus 30. The 9th term can be written as a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. Here I have to write it minus 15. I'll change it over here. This is minus 15. Minus 15. So minus 15 over here. Now we can use elimination method. Let us subtract. So minus, minus, and this will become plus. They'll change sign. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5d, and minus 15 plus 30 will be equal to 15. So d will be equal to minus 3. Put d equal to minus 3 in any of the equations, the first one. So a plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. You get a is equal to minus 9. Shift over there will become plus 9. A is equal to minus 6. D is minus 3. A is minus 6. Sum of first 16 terms will be equal to 16 by 2 into 2 times of a, which is minus 6, plus 16 minus 1, 15 times of d, which is minus 3. Solve it all, you will get your answer. So your answer will be minus 456. ठीक है? here you can see A is -6 and D is -3. Alright. Okay, so very well done to all those students who have given the correct answer for the homework questions. Very well done, bachcho. Let's move ahead. First, let's look at the 2-marker questions over here. The first question, what it says: PA and PB are two tangents drawn from a point P to the circle, okay, with center O touching it at A and B. A and B are point of contacts. Prove that OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. Now this is a very famous question. You have to prove that OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. That means we have to prove, if you look at this diagram, we have to prove that first thing we have to prove that AC and BC are equal. And also angle ACO or angle BCO, they are equal to 90 degree. This thing we need to prove. Or this 90 degree, or I can say we can also prove, or we have to prove that this line OP is perpendicular to AB. Two things we need to prove over here. Right? Now let us understand how can we do that. कैसे करेंगे उसको? How will we do it? है ना? तो बेटा देखो, as you all know that in the proof of the topic that tangents from an external point are equal, we already know that triangle PAO and PBO will be congruent. ठीक है? In exam you have to prove it. अभी I am writing it directly. We know that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. It is not difficult to prove it, है ना? Pretty easy. देखो, you know angle PAO and angle PBO will be 90 degree. Radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. Then AO and BO radius equal, PO common, hypotenuse equal. So right angle hypotenuse side rule say both triangles will be congruent. By RHS rule I am writing. If they are congruent by CPCT, I can say one thing. By CPCT we know that PA and PB will be equal. Also angle APO will be equal to angle BPO. Alright, so I know that this and this is equal. Also this angle and this angle, they are also equal. Alright, like this. Now let's talk about the perpendicular bisector. So for that I can say, let's look at the triangle PAC. In triangle, or I'll write below over here so that we can follow. Nice. So now I can say, sir, in triangle PAC and triangle PBC, first thing I can say PA is equal to PB. Just got it. Then I can say, sir, angle APO is equal to angle BPO. We have just used it. And then I can say PC is the common side. PC is equal to PC. So side angle side rule, I'll say by side angle side rule, triangle PAC is congruent to triangle PBC. And if these two triangles are congruent, I can say, sir, by CPCT, congruent parts of the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, I can say first thing, sir, AC and BC will be equal. AC and BC will be equal. Also angle PCA will be equal to angle PCB. Let's say both will be x degrees. Also angle PEC, also I can say angle PCA plus angle PCB will also be 90 degree because they are linear pair. So if two angles are equal and then they are here I am writing it wrong. Two angles are equal as well as they are supplementary because they have linear pair. So obviously both the angles will be 90 degree each. Right? Both angles are 90 degree each. PCA and angle PCB 90 degree each. That means you can say PC is perpendicular to AB. If PC is perpendicular to AB, we can say line PO is also perpendicular to AB. So from these two results, we can say hence proved this line OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. This line OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. This is a very common question. बहुत ज़्यादा common question. In this way, if you are writing, definitely you will get good marks. No way they'll cut any marks of yours. Okay? Write with proper explanation. Highlight the points. You can say from 1 and 2. We can say OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. This you need to take care. Alright, just explain. Writing, many students are afraid that, sir, how do we write the answer for geometry question? Do I do this? Do I show this? Just understand one thing. You need to explain your answer. You need to write your answer in such a way that when the examiner is reading, they'll get to know that what thought process you are using to reach to the answer. All your steps should be written clearly. That is your main aim. Bus. उसके अलावा it is not necessary at all that the way your teacher is writing same ratta thing you have to do. You can use some other method also. You can write in other ways, but make sure it is clearly explainable. Okay, next question. Tangent AP and AQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point A. Prove that angle PAQ. Guys, where is angle PAQ? PAQ is this angle. Angle PAQ is twice of angle OPQ. This angle we need to find it out. Okay, this angle we need to find out the relation. So guys, as we all know that radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. So I can say, sir, angle OPA. Oh. I can say, sir, angle OPA will be equal to angle OPB. Both will be equal to 90 degree as it is radius at point of contact. So it will be 90 degree. Angle OPA, angle OPA, it is OQB. Sorry, I have written the name wrong. OPA and here OQA I have to write. OQA, both are 90 degree. Right? Now guys, I can say, sir, in triangle APQ, we know tangents from an external point are equal. AP is equal to AQ. So I can say, sir, angle APQ will be equal to angle AQP. Let's say both are equal to X degrees. Okay? Or why to go over there also? We can do it. Let's take angle OPQ as X. OPQ we will take it as X. We have to prove angle PAQ as 2X. Okay? So let us take angle OPQ as X degrees. Okay? If angle OPQ is X degree, now I can say, sir, in triangle OPQ, you know OP is equal to OQ because both belong to radius. And if two sides are equal, we can say angle OPQ will be equal to angle OQP. Both will be equal. Angle OPQ is X degrees, so angle OQP also is X degrees only. So this angle and this angle both are X degrees. You know that this complete angle is 90. Radius at the point of contact, this complete angle is 90. So now I can say that, sir, the remaining angle, that is angle APQ, will be 90 minus X. Yes or no? So now I can say, sir, angle APQ will be equal to 90 degree minus X. Similarly, angle AQP will also be 90 minus X. Same logic. So that let's use the value of angle PAQ by using angle sum property in triangle APQ. So in triangle APQ, I can say, देखो, angle APQ plus angle AQP plus angle PAQ, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Angle APQ is 90 minus X. Angle AQP is also 90 minus X. Angle PAQ, we need to find it out, is equal to 180 degrees. Yes or no? By logic लगाओ ना यार. This angle we have got as 90 minus X. Similarly, this angle also will be 90 minus X. Right? Sorry. So if I solve this equation, 90 plus 90, 180, this got cancelled over here. You will be getting angle PAQ minus X is 2X. Shifted over there will become 2X. That means angle PAQ can be written as 2 times of angle X I have taken as angle OPQ. And done. Right? Based on angles. Pretty easy. Okay guys, so this is how this question will be done. Okay, next question. Easy hai but important one. In the given figure, angle ADC is 90. Angle ADC, can you see over here? This angle ADC is 90. BC, this complete side BC is 38. And BP, okay, this BP is given as 25 and CD is given as 28. Alright, so beta, by first thing, if you look at this, you can say, sir, if BP is 25, BQ also will be 25, right? So I can say, sir, BP is equal to BQ. Tangents from an external point are equal in length, so both will be equal to 25 centimeters, right? Okay, if BQ is 25, BC is 38, CQ will be 38 minus 25, which will be equal to 13. I can say CQ is nothing but BC minus BQ, which is 38 minus 25, which is equal to 13 centimeter. So CQ is 13 centimeter. If CQ is 13 centimeter, you can say CQ is equal to CR. Tangents from an external point, so CR also will be 13 centimeters step by step. 13 centimeters, right? Then we can find out DR. Length of DR will be equal to CD minus CR, which is equal to 28 minus 13. 28 minus 13 will be equal to what? Sorry. So 28 minus 13 will be equal to 15 centimeters. Correct? So this side DR is 15. If DR is 15, DS also will be 15 centimeters. And here this is your radius, this is your radius. This angle is 90, this angle is also 90. Okay. Ab dekho beta, this we can say DR is equal to DS. Both will be equal to 15 centimeters. Now also I can say, sir, in quadrilateral, dekho dhyan se sunna guys, in quadrilateral OSDR, देखो भाई, first thing, this angle D is given 90 degree. ठीक है. I can also say, sir, angle S and angle R also will be 90 degree because radius at the point of contact will be perpendicular to tangent, right? So I can say, sir, angle ROS जो होगा, that also if we use the angle sum property, remaining three angles are 90 degree, you will get the fourth angle also as 90 degree. So you can see in this quadrilateral, in quadrilateral OSDR, all angles are equal. All angles are equal. That is, they are 90 degree each. And I can see a pair of adjacent sides. Dekho, if all angles are equal, it will be rectangle. And also we have adjacent sides also equal. Pair of adjacent sides are equal. DR and DS are equal. So automatically all sides will be equal. We can say quadrilateral OSDR is a square. And if it is a square, all sides should be equal. So this side OR will be equal to DS, which is radius is equal to 15 centimeters. OR and DS is equal. OR is your radius. DS is 15. Radius is equal to 15 centimeters. Okay. So this is one condition of proving any quadrilateral to be square. Grade 9th we have studied it. So maths is all connected, as you all know, right? Okay. Now let's go for our 3 markers. Next question dekhte hain beta. What it is saying? The radii of two concentric circles are 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So you can see over here 2 concentric circles you have. One of the circles radius, the smaller one radius is 8. Radius it is, yes, radius 13 and 8. Larger one 13 centimeter, smaller one 8 centimeter. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle. AB is diameter of the bigger circle, we can see. BD is a tangent to the smaller circle touching at D. BD is a tangent, D is the point of contact. So I know very well that if it is point of contact, this angle will be 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. ठीक है? Then find the length of AD. Okay, length of AD we need to find out. Length of AD we need to find it out. So how can we get it? How can we get it? So length of AD देखो, ठीक है. All right. So guys, देखो, you can see one thing. AB is a diameter. Since AB is a diameter, I can say angle AEB will also be 90 degree. Since AB is a diameter, I can say angle AEB will also be 90 degree. Why? Angle at the semicircle. You have studied this. Angle, if we have a circle like this, ये diameter है, so angle at the semicircle is always 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree. I'll write over here. All right. Angle AEB is equal to 90 degree because it is angle at semicircle. Also angle ODB will be equal to 90 degree because it is radius at point of contact. Okay. Now guys, tell me one thing. I can say na that triangle ODB and triangle AEB, they are similar triangles. Can you see triangle ODB and AEB, they are similar triangles. They go 90 degree each, and this angle is the common angle over here. So by AA rule. Now don't say sir, similarity is not there in our syllabus. Bacha, similarity is not there in syllabus. Direct question will not come, but application can be there in different questions, right? Similarly, arithmetic progression, how many times we have used equations of linear equation to variable elimination method? We have used a lot. So in geometry it can be used. So I'll say is a triangle ODB and triangle AEB. ठीक है, will say sir angle ODB is equal to angle AEB 90 degree. Then angle OBD is equal to angle ABE, common angle. So by AA rule, triangle ODB is similar to triangle AEB. And if they are similar, why I am doing it? If it is similar, I can say sir OD upon AE is equal to BD upon BE is equal to OB upon AB. अब देखो बेटा, I know OB is the radius of the outer circle, so it is 13, and AB is the diameter of the outer circle, so this will be 2 times of 13. So radius upon diameter will be 1:2. So this is 1/2. I can say OD upon AE is equal to BD. BD is given to us. Any other length BD is given? No, BD is not given. Upon BE is equal to 1:2. Alright, ठीक है बच्चा, clear? Now I know OD is the radius of the inner circle. OD is the radius of inner circle. So I will say sir OD upon AE is equal to 1:2. OD is 8 upon AE is equal to 1:2. You got AE is equal to 16 centimeters. AE is 16. We got AE is 16. Then we know BD upon BE is 1:2. We know BD upon BE is 1:2. अच्छा, BD upon BE की जगह पे बेटा we can also do this thing. We know perpendicular from center bisect the chords, so we'll say BD is equal to DE. BD is equal to DE because we know perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Yes or no? We can say BD is equal to DE, so perpendicular from center will bisect the chord. Alright, so how do we solve it? अब बेटा देखना, in this triangle, अब you have got these 2 triangles. Now let us try to get the length of BD. If I get the length of BD, I will say that same will be the length of DE. Understand over here, if I know that what is my length, of BD, if I know my length of BD, same will be the length of DE. And already I know this angle is 90 degree and AE I have got as 16 centimeter. So if I know BD, I will get DE, and if I know AE and DE, I can easily get AD by using Pythagoras theorem. So that is what my approach. So now let's get BD. BD we can easily get because I know OB is equal to 13 and I know OD is equal to 8. So let's use Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBD. So in triangle OBD, angle D is 90 degree. We can say OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OB is 13 square, so 169. OD is 8 square, so 64, and BD square. So you will get BD square as 169 minus 64, which is 105. So BD is equal to square root of 105. If BD is square root of 105, we can say DE and BD both are equal. That also will be square root of 105. So now we'll go for triangle ADE. And here I'll say AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So that is 16 square plus square root of 105 whole square. So AD square, 16 square is 256 plus 105. So AD square, you are getting 6 plus 5, 11, 6, 361. 361 is square root of 19. So AD is equal to 19 centimeter. How nicely this question is solved, see. Right? Okay. So I'm explaining to you this question. That is why this is taking time. Otherwise, it is very quickly you can get the answer for this particular question. Okay. Alright. So keep your mind active whenever you are solving a question. Keep your mind active. Okay, bacho. Next question. A circle is, now this is your NCRT question, one of the NCRT question, and it is an important one. Very repetitive types of question it is. Okay. A circle is inscribed in a triangle having sides AB as 8. So dekho beta, here this complete side AB is given as 8. Then this side AC is given as 12. AC is given as 12, and BC is over here. BC is given as 10. 8, 10 and 12. Alright, as shown in the figure, find AD, BE and CF. Now, this question may we'll be using 3 equations, 3 variable questions. Okay? So let us say, guys, perpendicular tangents from an external point will be equal. So let's say, guys, these two sides are equal. So let's say it is X, this is also X. These two will be equal. So let's say this is Y, this is also Y. And these two will also be equal. So let's say it is Z. And this is also equal to Z. So I can say, so let's take AF is equal to AF and AD. AF and AD both are equal to, let's say, X centimeters. Then CF and CE both are, let's say, equal to Y centimeters. And BD and BE both are, let's say, equal to Z centimeters. Alright, because they are tangents from an external point are equal. Now, look what is AB, what is AC. So guys, you know that AC is given as 12 centimeter and AC is nothing but AF plus CF. So from here we'll get one equation, X plus Y is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, directly I can write, you are able to understand, right? Then I can say BC, Y plus Z will be 10 centimeter. Y plus Z will be 10 centimeter, and then I can say X plus Z will be equal to 8 centimeter. These are your 3 equations, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Understand the method. 3 equations you have, 3 variables you have, it can be solved very easily. You can get the answer. How do you get it? Kaise karna hai? One of the easiest way is add all the 3 equations. Add all the 3 equations. So let's say LHS, here we have x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y, z plus z, 2z is equal to 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30 centimeters. So if I take 2 common, you'll get x plus y plus z is equal to 15 centimeters. Why I'm writing centimeter again and again here? No need for centimeter in the equations. Okay. So I can say x plus y plus z is equal to 15 centimeters. This is my equation number 4. Now in this equation number 4, beta, we know x plus y is 12. So this x plus y, if I replace it as 12 plus z is equal to 15, you got z is equal to 15 minus 12, 3 centimeters. Z is 3, we have got z3, put z equal to 3 in both second and third equation. So y plus 3 is equal to 10, you will get y is equal to 7 centimeters. And here in this equation, x plus 3 is equal to 8, you will get x is equal to 5 centimeters. Right? So I can say the length of AD, which is x, length of AD, which we have got x, is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is also 5. Length of BE, which is taken as z, is equal to 3 centimeters. So this is also 3 centimeters. And length of CF, y, we have taken as y centimeters. This is also y centimeter. And you can see 5 plus 7 total 12. 5 plus 3 total 8, 5, 7 plus 3 total 10. Alright, so amazing question, very important question from your NCRT. Alright, this is an NCRT question. Let's move ahead to the next 4 markers questions. Yeah, so here PA and PB are the tangents to a circle. P and PB kya hai beta? They are tangents to a circle which circumscribe an equilateral triangle ABQ. Triangle ABQ is an equilateral triangle given to you and angle PAB is given 60 degree to you. Prove that this QP bisects AB at right angle. Ab dekho, this is very similar to the first question. This is very similar to the first question. Guys, if you will observe over here, dekho, PQ is a straight line drawn where it is intersecting M. It is intersecting with M over here. So if I prove that any one of this angle is 90 degree and if I am able to prove that AM is equal to BM, then I can say that is what the question is asking me to do. Okay. Now how do I do it? So dekho bhai, first thing, tangents from an external point are equal. So AP is equal to BP, and by isosceles triangle theorem, if it is 60 degree, this angle will also be equal to 60 degree. Two angles are equal to 60 degree, and then I can easily prove these two triangles to be congruent. Also we know कि we are these two triangles are going to be congruent. ये दोनों angles equal होते हैं बेटा. ये we have proved it already. If I join it with the center, you all know कि these two angles are also equal. ठीक है? Not writing it again and again, we have done it. Okay, we have done it. So easily I can say कि sir these two triangles are going to be congruent. अरे यार ये तो बहुत easy question है. This is a very easy question. Triangle PAM and triangle PBM you can easily prove congruent. Easily it can be proved congruent, है ना? PAB and PAM and PBM we can easily prove it to be congruent. If they are congruent, I can say AM is equal to BM. अरे यार ये तो so easy हो गया. ठीक है? So we can say triangle PAM and triangle PBM. By first thing, देखो both these angle PAM is equal to angle PBM. Both are equal to 60 degree. Then you can say PA is equal to PB by theorem we know. And then I can say sir angle APM is equal to angle. Acha, you might be thinking, okay, now I understand. There might be this thing that it is not necessary, it is passing through center only. Although, chalo, theek hai. Now I understand why this question, they made it like this. Arey, nothing. Still, beta, it is nothing. Dekho, main part you understood that we have to prove triangle PAM and triangle PBM congruent. Abhi right now I know these two are 60 degree, these two sides are equal. Any other thing I know nothing. है ना? I know PM is the common side, but that will not help me in the proving of congruency. So my aim is to tell कि can I prove these two angles to be congruent? अब you might be thinking, sir, देखो, doubt, genuine doubt is, what if, sir, this PQ is not passing through the center? हो सकता है, since it is not given. So what I can do, since triangle AQB is also equilateral, triangle AQB is given an equilateral triangle, right? So I can say कि sir जी, these angles are also going to be 60 degree each. Correct. So total angle PAQ, what will be the length of angle PAQ? And angle PBQ, angle PAQ will be 120, angle PBQ will be 120. Here PA is equal to PB, and here I can say QA is equal to QB, equilateral triangle. Right? So both the triangles are congruent. ठीक है? So I can say angle PAQ is equal to angle PBQ. Both are equal to 60 plus 60, which is becoming 120 degree. Now triangle PAQ and triangle PBQ, let us prove them congruent. So PA is equal to PB, angle PAQ is equal to angle PBQ, both are equal to 120 degree, and then QA is equal to QB. So which rule it is? Side angle side rule. By side angle side rule, you'll say triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle PBQ, and if these two triangles are congruent, I can say angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ. Bas, this I have got. Now I will talk about triangle APM and triangle BPM. In triangle APM and BPM, we'll say AP is equal to BP. Also I can AP equal to BP say over here we will say angle PAB is equal to angle PBA, both are equal to 60 degree each. AP is equal to BP, and then I can say sir PM is the common PM को common side ले लेंगे और angle side angle rule लगा देंगे. So angle APM is equal to angle BPM because of this. By angle APQ is same as angle APM, BPQ is same as angle BPM. So I can say triangle APM is congruent to triangle BPM. If they are congruent, we can say first thing AM is equal to BM. It is bisecting, and angle AMP is equal to angle BMP. Also angle AMP plus angle BMP will be equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair also. So from these two you will get angle AMP and angle BMP, both are 90 degrees. है ना? Seen it lot many times. So I can say PM is perpendicular to AB. If PM is perpendicular to AB, PQ also will be perpendicular to AB. Done and dusted. Similar to the previous question. Okay, only thing there it was related joined with the center. Here it is taken on the circumference. Otherwise, no large difference over here. Okay, so let's look at our next question. Next question over here. Tangents PQ and PR are drawn to a circle such that angle RPQ, where is RPQ? This is given as 30 degree. A chord RS is over here, is drawn parallel to tangent PQ. So देखो, whenever this tangent thing is given na, show it like this in your diagram so that you will remember that these two are tangent, because when you get tangent sides you get so many angles easily. बहुत सारे angles you get it very easily. Alright, so we need to find out angle RQS, this complete angle we need to find it out. देखो, first thing, angle P is 30 degree. If I talk about quadrilateral OQPR, यार बच्चों, this is like everybody know these two angles are 90 degree. Radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. These two are 90, this is 30. This angle I can easily get by using the angle some property of a quadrilateral. So this you will be getting it as 150 degrees. बहुत easy है ये. This kind of questions we have solved a lot. So we know that angle PQO will be equal to angle PRO equal to 90 degree each. Angle radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. If these two angles are 90 degree, then I can say in quadrilateral PQOR, one angle is 30, at angle Q we have 90 plus angle QOR plus angle R also is 90 is equal to 360 degrees. So angle QOR will be equal to 150 degree. Now if angle QOR is 150 degree beta, you know if an arc, this arc subtends an angle of 150 degree at the center, in the remaining part of the circle it will be half of it. This angle is going to be 75 degree. Grade 9th we have studied. Alright. So it is very important to revise the grade 9 theorem also. So here you will get angle QSR will be half of angle QOR, which means angle QSR will be half of 150. So we got angle QSR as 75 degrees. This angle is 75 degree. What else can we do? What else can we do बच्चों? So next देखो, अब let's use the parallel वाले को use करते हैं ना यार. PQ and SR are parallel lines, and here if this line QO, if I extend, what I have done, I have extended this line QO till a point A. So I can say this angle A will also, this angle A will also be 90 degree because interior alternate angle, right? So I can say, sir, angle QAS will be equal to angle PQA. Both will be 90 degree. You can write it as interior alternate angle. They both are interior alternate angle. So now in triangle QAS, if I use angle sum property, one angle is 75, one angle is 90, plus the third angle which is angle SQA is equal to 180 degree. From here you get angle SQA is equal to 15 degrees. This angle is how much, bacha? Sorry. This much part we have got. This part we have got it as 15 degree. If I get the value of angle, this part, angle RQO also, if I get, then I'll be able to get everything very easily. सब कुछ मिल जाएगा बेटा, right? Now how do I get the remaining part? So देखो, here I know this angle is 30. We know PQ is equal to PR. So let us find out the value of these two angles. Let us find out the value of these two angles. So what you will say? You will say, sir, in triangle PQR, we have PQ is equal to PR. Two sides are equal. Then angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ. Have I used X anywhere? No, not yet. So let's say both are equal to X degrees each. So use angle sum property. So I'll say X degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. You'll get 2x is equal to 150, or you'll get x is equal to 75 degree. So now you have got this angle as 75, this angle is also 75. Already we know that, sir, this complete angle is 90, ये complete angle 90 है. So this angle AQR, remaining part मिल जाएगा बेटा, and here you have already got previous में, this is 15 degree. Alright, so now I can say, sir, angle AQR, this part, plus angle RQP, plus angle RQP is equal to complete angle AQP. Angle AQR we need to find out. Angle RQP we have got it as 75 degree, Angle AQP is total 90 degree. Angle AQR got as 15 degrees. Angle AQR, what you have got? You have got this as 15 degrees. That means, what does it mean, beta? It means that this angle over here, you have got it as 15 degree. So complete angle SQR or angle RQS. Now I can say that, sir, the complete angle RQS will be equal to angle SQA plus angle AQR, which is equal to 15 plus 15, total 30 degrees. Angle RQS will be equal to total 30 degrees. Alright, it is again a very important question. First thing, bhai dekho, I know this angle is 30, these two are 90, so angle QOR will be 150. Angle QOR is 150, so angle QSR, half of it 75. Angle in the remaining part of the circle, half of angle at the center subtended by an arc. If it is 75 and also PQ and SR are given parallel lines, so if this angle is 90, angle A also here will be 90. Interior alternate angle. This is 90, this is 75, this has become 15 degree. Later, I know this complete angle is 90. If it is 30, these two angles, isosceles triangle got 75, 75. So this is 75, complete angle 90, remaining part is 15. So total angle is 15 plus 15, total 30. Alright, bacha. So this is how this question will be done. And with this, we have finished all the important questions from the topic circle. This is your homework question. It's a very important question. Let me know what is the answer for this question in the comment sections. Alright, I'll wait for your answers, guys. And we are done with the topic circles as well. Tomorrow we'll be starting with constructions. We have already finished quadratic equation and arithmetic progression. You can watch those videos as well. Alright, so guys, you can definitely go ahead and register for Vedantu's amazing courses. Amazing course, one amazing course right now, if you want to see, is for the upcoming 2 years. Okay, let's take any of the link which will redirect you to the registration page. Here you can select grade 10th, and in this grade 10th, guys, you can see Drishti NEET batches are there, which is a 2 years course. You can join for the 2 years course. Then you have this thing as well, Drishti JEE course also. So upcoming 2 year courses, you can definitely decide your future. Also, you have 2 years course for commerce as well. Okay, bacha. So these are the amazing course. And here, as obvious, if you'll apply GPE Pro, you will be getting the 10% off. Alright, bacho. Okay, chalo. So this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the session. And one more thing, for a very limited period, you can see Pro Lite is available for the 2 years course just at rupees 20,000. This is the benefit which you are getting. Do not miss out on this. It's a very amazing opportunity. Okay, only for Pro Lite, because we think that many students may not be able to go for Pro Classic, Pro Plus, but here we have given a huge discount. So definitely take the benefit, be it Pro JEE courses, 2 year JEE course, or be it Drishti NEET course. You will be getting it Pro Lite at 20,000. Amazing deal you are getting. Alright, bacho. So thank you so much for joining the session. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave. Share the video with your friend. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz. Bye bye, bacho. Bye bye.